Have you ever been frustrated when a snack bar gets blocked by a long drop-down list? It can be really annoying, especially when you need to see that message. Today, we're going to tackle how to ensure your snack bar is always visible, even when the autocomplete text view dropdown is long. I totally get it. You want your snack bar to be front and center, but sometimes those dropdowns just take over the screen. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face this issue. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, "How can I make sure my snack bar is not blocked by the autocomplete text view dropdown?" They shared a screenshot showing the snack bar being hidden. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So, what's happening here? When the dropdown of the autocomplete text view is too long, it can obscure the snack bar, making it hard for users to see important messages. This is a common issue in Android development, but there are ways to fix it. And stick around. I have a great solution at the end that will ensure your snack bar is always visible, no matter what. To ensure the snack bar appears above the autocomplete text view dropdown, the user should first check the layout parameters of the snack bar. It is important to use a coordinator layout as the parent view. Next, the user should modify the snack bar's behavior by using the snack bar's setAnchorView method. This allows the snack bar to be anchored to a specific view, ensuring it is displayed above the dropdown. Additionally, the user can adjust the elevation of the snack bar to ensure it has a higher Z order. This can be done by setting the elevation property in the snack bar's view. Finally, the user should test the implementation to confirm that the snack bar is now visible above the autocomplete text view dropdown. This can be done by triggering the snack bar while interacting with the dropdown. Fun fact, did you know that the snack bar was introduced in material design to provide lightweight feedback? It's a great tool, but we want to make sure it gets the attention it deserves. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution proposed by another user involves adjusting the height of the autocomplete text view's dropdown. They suggest calculating the dropdown height based on the snack bar's position to ensure it remains visible. They also mention that if the suggestion list is long, you might want to set the dropdown height to wrap content instead. However, changing the Z order of the snack bar directly is not possible without adding it to the window manager. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the setZ method to adjust the Z order of the snack bar. By setting the Z value to 200, the snack bar can be placed above the autocomplete text view's dropdown, ensuring it remains visible. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution from another user suggests setting the drop-down height of the autocomplete text view to a fixed value in DP. This can also be adjusted dynamically based on screen size using a dimension resource. It's a simple one-line code change that effectively resolves the issue and is easy to maintain. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative solution suggests considering the layout of your components. The user points out that there needs to be enough space for the keyboard, snack bar, and autocomplete text view. Since you can't change the keyboard height, you should adjust the height of the autocomplete text view to ensure it appears above the snack bar. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your UI on different screen sizes and orientations. This will help you catch issues like the snack bar being blocked before your users do. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your snack bar should now be visible above the autocomplete text view dropdown. Remember, testing is key to a great user experience. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.